recently than Oracle, where layoffs are now raising entirely new question. Oracle is one of the biggest names in the global tech sector, right? And which is why its ongoing layoffs they are attracting so much attention. Reports suggest that the company is nearing the final phase of a major reconstructing effort that could affect tens of thousands of employees worldwide. And at the very same time, fresh allegations posted anonymously online, they claim that some workers may have been reclassified before being laid off. Though Oracle has not publicly responded to these claims and they remain unverified, but wait, they have generated a widespread discussion among tech sector and maybe the workers. What makes the whole story specifically interesting is that these layoffs are taking place despite strong business performance. That's right, Oracle continues to report significant growth in cloud computing and artificial intelligence service. The company is also investing billions of dollars into new AI infrastructure and data centers. Now, for Indians, Oracle's reconstruction, it is another reminder of how quickly the tech sector it is changing. Many companies are reporting healthy revenue while simultaneously reducing staff and reorganizing the operation. That has created uncertainty among workers who really wonder whether strong financial results it still guarantee job security or not. Here the broader lesson that's clear. The tech industry is entering a new phase where artificial intelligence, cloud computing and automation it can reshape business models. Companies see opportunity for growth, but employees they are also feeling the pressure of constant change. In the end, tonight's stories reveal a common theme. Whether it is H-1B visa change, stricter social media screening, anti-Indian controversy, housing market challenge or layoffs across major tech sectors, Indians in America they are navigating a period of significant uncertainty. The opportunity that attracted millions of skilled professionals to the US, it exists, but the path towards it is becoming more and more complex. Now, for the Indian families, students, workers, entrepreneurs, the coming months will be very important. Immigration policies are rapidly changing. The tech industry is evolving, AI is transforming the workplace, and economic uncertainty continues to influence major decisions. One thing is certain, the Indian community remains a very important part of America's workforce, economy, and ecosystem. The question now is how that relationship will evolve in the years ahead. And yes, Uber is not alone here. Another major software company is now making even deeper cuts as the race to invest in AI it continues. GitLab, one of the world's best-known software development companies, has announced that approximately 14% of its global workforce will be affected, and that too by a major reconstruction plan. The company is also planning to exit the operations in 22 countries as it looks to simplify its structure and focus on long-term priorities now. According to the company, ladies and gentlemen, the goal is to improve decision-making, reduce the management layers, and create a more efficient organization. GitLab, in the meantime, says that these changes it will help position the company for future success, particularly as demand grows for AI-powered software development too. The company plans to reinvest much of its saving into research, development, and artificial intelligence product. For many workers, however, the announcement it reflects a larger trend that is taking place across technology industry. Companies are increasingly focusing on automation, efficiency, AI-driven tools. While executives describe these changes as necessary for growth, employees they often see them as a source of uncertainty. Now, particularly if we talk about Indians, then Indian professionals have long played a very important role in software development and engineering teams across the world. And that is why layoffs at companies like GitLab, it attracts a lot of attention within the Indians in the US. Many workers are asking whether AI revolution will create more opportunities for them or maybe reduce the number of available jobs. For now, companies continue investing heavily in artificial intelligence while simultaneously maybe reducing parts of their workforce. And that balancing act is becoming one of the most defining stories of the modern technology industry.